cars, which these things are all going to be sold, but we have to look at this. It's Dodge Challenger SRT Demon. These may all be Demons. A lot of these cars are from dealers or collectors that have no miles on them. Hey everybody, please check out all our videos from the Mecum Auction in Kissimmee 2025. And if you want to see them before everybody else, become a member. Thanks. 2018 Dodge Challenger Demon. Let's see. 2018 Dodge Challenger Demon. Yep. 2018 Dodge Challenger Demon. Another 2018 Dodge Challenger Demon. Another 2018 Dodge Challenger Demon. Another 2018 Dodge Challenger Demon.
That's more information about value than probably anyone. You.
2023 Dodge Challenger Demon. 2018 Dodge Challenger Demon. So this is what happens when, so this didn't never really happened back in the day when there was Yanko and Mr. Norm and everything else. They were naturally collectible cars, and dealers back in the 70s and the 60s, they wanted to sell these type of cars. Now these dealers hold on to them, or they make them so expensive nobody buys them, hoping that they can then sell them here at a premium. Problem being is that what happens when the market dries up. So welcome to another episode of Junkyards and Barn Finds with Sean, and I'm Sean. Hey guys, continuing on the 2018 Dodge Demon theme, here's another 2018 Dodge Demon in orange with black. Here's another 2018 Dodge Demon in blue with black. Oh, here is another 2018 Dodge, oh, this is a Dodge Challenger SRT Demon with silver and black, or gray and black. I would say gray and black. Here is another 2018 Dodge Challenger Demon. This is silver with red cloth interior. Here is another 2018 Dodge Challenger Demon, which is red with black interior. Here's another 2018. I think they have one of every color Dodge Demon from 2018 here. So here's another one, dark maroon with black interior. And yes, another 2018 SRT Dodge Demon with bright red and black interior. So we've just taken you through all the 2018 Dodge Demons and every color they have. So what can I do to put you in one of those today? I mean, you got all these Demons here, and there's a lot more other places that are just sitting there brand new that dealers are holding on to because they think they're collectibles. They were collectibles. They may be in 20 years, but right now they're just overpriced cars. Anyway, thanks for watching. Watch all our other videos. We've got a whole ton coming here from Mecum, and we'll see you next time. Should they subscribe to this channel even if they don't like cars today for this one?
Probably just for this one.